While we're waiting for our veggie stock to break down, we're going to continue on with the rest of our rice. So we're going to turn our back burner on to about 8. And we're going to add a tablespoon of oil. While we're waiting for that oil to heat up, we're going to break off a bulb of our ginger. And again, we're going to cut on both sides so that it can stand freely. And then we're going to slide our knife down and take our skin off. I'm going to cut it in half so it can stand freely, won't slide around. And we're going to go ahead and mince this. Now we are going to saute this in oil. So you want fairly small pieces, but we will be also boiling this with the rest of the rice, so it doesn't have to be that fine of a mince. Stir it together, and then run along one more time. Make sure all the chunks are up, and we're going to work on our jalapeno. We're going to cut off our top, and then we're going to cut right down the middle. All right, the seeds and the white are where the hot is, so you may want to use a glove to do this. I'm just going to pull those out. We want the flavor of the jalapeno more than the spice. All right, we're going to discard these seeds. And then we're just going to mince our jalapenos.